What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Duke's Backyard Builds. Hope everyone is doing fine. So today is my boy Juice 20th anniversary for running his barbershop. Heads up. Salute to my brother. May God continue blessing him many more years, man. Again, guys, it's all about supporting each other. I'm all about positivity. So with that being said, we're gonna go to Amelia Earhart Park today. We're gonna be celebrating with my boy Juice on his 20th anniversary, running his business. So I'm gonna meet up with a couple of homies, and from there we're gonna ride back to Amelia Earhart Park, guys. So come ride with me.
Alright, so conscious, crazy, huh? Crazy. Here we go. Lucid dreams, so I can't be out here living stupid. I love hard, so you could say I was shot by Cupid. Say less, but every now and then I drop my 2 cents. Tunnel vision could really be a nuisance. ISO, yeah, you know we be the move.
Alright, YouTube, we just made it to my boy Nino's house. They're getting ready now. I think he's gonna pull out the, he's pulling out the cutlass. He's pulling out the cutlass. Let me know what y'all think, man. I gave y'all guys a nice video of this car here. Damn, but I'm telling y'all, man, video don't make this car no justice, man. You guys gotta see this car up front, in person, man, to be able to see how fresh that paint is, man. We're waiting on my boy Eddie, which talking about him. There he goes, pulling up right there. Clean as Regal, man. And behind him, this beautiful C8 Corvette. Dang. Badass, man. But yeah, man, we're gonna get ready now and go back to back to Amelia.
Don't ask what we doing, just know we always keep it moving. Watch out for intruders, still a student to the game. You don't see me rocking chains, cause I think that is lame. All my brothers getting slain from the police, blood stains leaking on the concrete. All my aunties always warn me to stay up off the street, cause these tucking heat, yeah, the feeling of defeat. And constantly finding ways to level up my mind state. Ain't no justice for us, you could peep it in the crime rate. I left behind all those trying to set me up like a blind date. That duo sizzle just like a hot plate. Zooming on the Jackie like we got weight. I mean it's just a few grams, but I got faith, cause I was born an interfaith. Tell them plug me in like the interface. Speakers blasted, shake the flowers in the vase. Learning to break out of my commonplace. Still trying to be, so I let common play. They calling me Illmatic, I'm the modern day. Wanna go toe to toe, tell them I'm delayed. Mommy go E-I, how Nelly say it. Uh-oh, this flow here cutthroat. I just reload while they.
Damn, guys, look at that. Look at all that rain, man. We at the gas station. We don't got our cars cleaned up and washed for this right here, man. That's one thing about Miami. It could be sunny, and the next 1 minute it's pouring rain, and then it goes back to sunny. We're used to this weather, man. This is Miami for you. This is Miami for you. But we're gonna figure it out right now. Hopefully it starts raining, and we go over there. All right, guys, we're back on the road. Headed to Amelia Earhart Park.
Upload, tell on that merch coming in by the truckload. Gotta do this to the utmost. Run it up like Usain till they unbolt. You won't really learn till you sit down, be humble.
a splash zone with the brain waves. I shoot for stars up and my aim is straight. I lay in the sand line in the Palisades. I'm Alec Baldwin with the angry face. I'm Christian Bale with the black on black. Man, fuck these thoughts, I'd rather save the day. But if your man is a problem, then we can change the pace. Mom's is worried, I need to change my ways. I maybe cop the crib under the redwoods. Rake the leaves up from the money trees. Plant the seed front and behind the scenes. I painted the dream how I live it. When smart and beware, they venom. I swear that I'm sick, I've got issues. I'm sick with these bars, bitch, I'm privileged. Bent off of sips of elixir. Bankroll need them commas and digits. My mannered, I'm honest intended. Lay low, not too much for attention. But Ben had shit poppin', I mentioned. The shit in this life, I'm offended. Fuck it, it's cool, yeah, I get it though. Give a fuck less about how they feel, that's my mood. My life been the trend, this shit looking vibrant. Been pilot, they know fly shot it. Not much to say about the product goddess. Go ahead and let them decide about me. State of mind that I've acquired. No question, my method can't check on me. That's just the hatred to fuel the fire. Got chillin', no kind. That's just the way we define it. Chase after mine, yeah. Give me my space, watch me in line. Pardon the tone, yeah. That's just the way. Try not to drown, fuck with the sound, yeah. Catch on the way, try not to drown, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Drown, yeah, yeah. My tooth is gliss, is gold as shit. This life is sweet, my mood is sour. Fuck what you think you could get a rose and sniff. I'm woke as shit, these niggas fake, so switch to switch, excuse all the temperament. You can catch a nigga riding venom, it's not a phantom, she riding tandem, and I'm the shit. I'm sore, but the flow though tantrum, they fucking with the kid, yeah, I'm on to something. Got no kind of chill, lately I don't even build shit. I mean like real shit, fuck with the skill. I do not have time to kill. The more money I reel in, the more that they feel me is why, but the way that they build this, the reason I fear, spilling my feels, but fuck it, I'm raking a skrill, bitch, and keeping it trill. It's all for the moment, I check off the list of these thrills. I'm trying to see Europe, don't fuck with the kid. It's lit if you riding the wheels, pivot, looking at a grimace. That's just how I'm living, put my life on the sentence. Murdering the beat, give a nigga life sentence. Only Lord knows what I'm thinking for the minute, so I'm asking for repentance. If the cop of me appended. My life been the trend, this shit looking vibrant. Been pilot, they know I'm fly shot it. Not much to say about the product goddess. Go ahead and let them decide about me. State of mind that I've acquired. No question, my method can't check on me. That's just the hatred to fuel the fire. Got chillin', no kind. That's just the way we define it. Chase after mine, yeah. Give me my space, watch me in line. Pardon the tone, yeah. That's just the way. Try not to drown, fuck with the sound, yeah. Catch on the way, try not to drown, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Drown, yeah, Enough of the code switching. Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know niggas. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me.
See this gold on me, want you to glow with me.
Yeah, alright, okay. We get it. No contest. Wait.
See this gold on me,
Surf's up,
want
nigga.
you to glow with me.
The world been dying, days is numbered, check the climate. I'm sick of it, fuck the harebrained scheme to get the riches quick. I played a long game with serene scene and the whip is quick. From the back room to the hearts, I'm in the thick of it. I grind too hard for y'all not to see me a star, bitch. I'm raising a bar like they really pay me to talk. My life been in shambles, but I got handles. I'm finishing at the rim. I remind you time and again that I'm really him. Oh, you ain't know? This shit not just for the show, but that you entertain. Anybody not for me is below me. Blow me, you in the way. I live my dreams, I got it locked, the master keeping on me. Back in the field, running audibles with the team. Everything I got out the mother, told my truth. I shake that fake shit, they praise you, then minimize you behind you. Just know I notice you. Stay woke, no joke, it really be the ones you closest to. Had to stop sleeping on myself like I ain't know the truth. Oh, this to me like it's really nobody code is this. And if you disagree, then you jaws and your claim get audited. Who you know do the beating and talking and write the harmonies. I'm really convinced there's nobody out here going hard as me. Wish well the dog that claimed belief in me so he could use me. Look at me now, you chose your route, I know you sick to see it. You talk a lot, all that flop, but that shit not harming us. Capping your status, we back, ain't nobody raws us. To the ones that held me down for the count, look at what growth will do. I'm the kid from the cul-de-sac, feeling double sex with loot they pay to play my shit back. Ain't no way I'm going back until I'm fossil fuel to the flame, just like I'm supposed to do. Enough of the code switching, been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know niggas. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me. Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know niggas. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me.
See this gold on me, want you to glow with me.
I've been on a job, trying to take it far. I need that ROI, shit I done paid the cost. I'm all in on me, lil' baby she agree, she really been here through the fall. She the only thing I need. I wanna be free, I know that they want me for my ideas so they can line their pockets. Don't hit me to tell me that you give a fuck about me. You don't even know nothing about me, tryna force me on your timeline. You know you need to stop it, I live for more than attention. Might not be your trending topic, put my worth in analytics. I admit that took a toll, I got addicted to scrolling. We know well that get toxic, I got caught comparing me to people I don't even know. They say it's lonely at the top, well maybe then I'll focus on things that's more important. And let whoever think whatever and just keep it moving. These niggas won't work on themselves, they'd rather see you losing. You'll never see me losing.
Enough of the code switching, been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know niggas. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me. Want you to grow.